How to restrict other users on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to restrict other users on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. If you want to restrict someone, just go to their profile. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner. To limit interactions from someone with your Instagram account without blocking, you need to choose Restrict. This will hide their comments on your post from other users and put their messages to message requests. However, they can follow you and see your posts. And now just tap on Dismiss. And this account is restricted right now. And that's all. It was how to restrict other users on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.